You need to watch this if you care about the future of flying, or the future of our planet. Airbus is racing to launch the first zero-emission commercial aircraft, and the story is wild. Back in 2020, Airbus set out to change aviation forever with Zero, an initiative to develop the world's first zero-emission airliner by 2035. They started with hydrogen combustion engines and fuel cell-powered electric propellers, unveiling futuristic concepts like turbofans, turboprops, blended wing design. But by 2025, Airbus doubled down on hydrogen fuel cells, driving 4 electric propellers and emitting only water. They smashed records with a 1.2 megawatt fuel cell demonstrator and powered up the Iron Pod, a complete hydrogen electric propulsion system. They're testing tech on an A380, building hydrogen hubs at airports and teaming up with industry giants. There are delays. Hydrogen scaling and airport infrastructure are big hurdles. But Airbus isn't giving up. The timeline's now late 2030s, maybe 2040s. But the mission is clear. Zero-emission flight is coming.